Robert Kiyosaki stands as a notable voice against conventional economic systems. With a constant doubt for the federal government, the Treasury and the Fed, and Wall Street, Kiyosaki has been vocal about his skepticism towards these entities and his presence for alternative forms of wealth. In this video, we are going to discuss Kiyosaki's perspective on tangible assets like gold, silver, and Bitcoin, presenting his arguments against the legitimacy of the US dollar and highlighting his dedication to educating others about the evolving financial landscape. Amidst uncertain times, Kiyosaki's insights offer a unique vantage point on navigating the world of finance and investing. Welcome to Vantage. I'll be sharing fresh content regularly, so please feel free to like, subscribe, and comment. Your engagement fuels our content creation. And remember, this isn't financial advice. Investing in cryptocurrencies carries risks. It is crucial to consult a seasoned financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Renowned financial expert Robert Kiyosaki has a strong liking for Bitcoin. He feels a connection between both he and the cryptocurrency share a common dislike for the US government, the Treasury Department, the Federal Reserve System, and Wall Street. These big organizations make him uneasy. While some might advise trusting them, Kiyosaki disagrees. Instead of putting your money here, he suggests saving it and investing in safe bonds. Kiyosaki, a well-known author, believes the US dollar is in trouble. He thinks that gold, silver, and Bitcoin are the three things that can save people's finances. If you don't know much about Robert Kiyosaki, he's the person behind the popular book Rich Dad Poor Dad, which has been read by over 40 million people around the world. In a recent talk with Stansberry Research, he shared his thoughts on why many people struggle financially, then try to save money that isn't real. Kiyosaki has been speaking out against the US dollar for a long time. He thinks that the United States has been creating fake money since 1964, and this has caused many problems around the world. Kiyosaki has a strong attachment to his country, having served as a Marine twice. Kiyosaki calls the US dollar fake money because the government and central banks can make more of it without anything real to support it. He has a different suggestion: invest in things like gold, silver, and digital currencies like Bitcoin. Just recently, Kiyosaki talked about having 60 Bitcoins, worth about $1.75 million. He got them when each Bitcoin was only worth about $6,000. If you watch the whole video, Kiyosaki explains how Bitcoin can be a different option, especially now that the BRICS currency is competing with the US dollar. Let's see what Kiyosaki thinks about recent events. 2 months ago, the government removed the limit on how much money it could print, and this led to a rise in the stock market. Kiyosaki thinks this is a problem because it will only lead to more debt. He believes in hard assets like gold, silver, and oil because they have real value. He doesn't trust paper money much because of the government. Kiyosaki questions if this situation can last, especially when the government has added $1.8 trillion in debt in just 2 months. To put this in perspective, it took 209 months to reach the first 1.8 trillion. He thinks it's strange that the biggest asset in the US today is student loan debt, and he blames policies from the time of the Obama administration for this. He feels it's unfair that young people have to carry this burden. Kiyosaki recalls his time studying in New York when he learned about Marxist ideas. He remembers a talk he gave about health, wealth, and happiness alongside Dennis Prager. However, 39 professors at Arizona State University protested against them, even threatening students who wanted to attend. Kiyosaki thinks this bias towards Marxist ideas in academia has led to problems. His life changed when he read the Communist Manifesto during his studies in 1965. Robert Kiyosaki's belief in Bitcoin and his advice about investing in things like gold and silver come from his unique perspective. In a time of changing finances, his ideas can help guide people. Even if you don't agree with everything he says, it's important to adopt changes in the financial world. If you find this video useful, remember to like and subscribe. As we navigate the changing world of money, Robert Kiyosaki's strong support for Bitcoin and things like gold and silver gives us a different way of looking at things. His ideas help us think about money and how things are changing. It's important to be flexible and make good choices in money matters. Whether you're interested in trying different kinds of investments or staying up updated on cryptocurrencies, Kiyosaki's thoughts can help. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a like and subscribe, and we will catch you in the next one.